guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire and today I'll be showing you how to prepare delicious and fluffy pancakes. So subscribe down below if you haven't, give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. So without much further ado, let's get started. So for pancakes, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, some sugar, eggs, baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, but if you don't have vanilla essence, it's okay, cooking oil, and milk. So let us get started. and they're so delicious. Definitely try them out and I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye guys.